me teach you how to make caramel popcorn. That's the most delicious popcorn you ever eat. So you're going to get this your popcorn corn in the market. To make our popcorn, you need cooking margarine for this and vegetable oil in a pot on fire, low heat please. You're going to add a little bit of margarine and then allow that to melt properly. You can see that it has melted properly. So you're going to add your vegetable oil into that same pot with margarine, and then you're going to get your corn and then put it inside the pot. The measurement for this is that your oil should actually be more than your corn inside the pot to make it pop very well, because popcorn uses oil to pop. Hope you understand. So you just leave this on fire on low heat please, because if the heat is so high it is going to burn. So when you leave it on low heat, you start noticing that this has started popping, and then you're just going to put the lid of the pot on it, the cover, and you can see how this is popping. Then you are going to give the pot a shake because you want all sides of the popcorn to pop. Hope you understand. So please note, when popping your corn, ensure it's on low heat. The oil is enough for it to pop. That's just it, and you get the best popcorn at home. And this process takes like 40 seconds and all your popcorn will stop popping. You can see it's still popping a bit. When you just leave it, it's going to slow down, and when it stops, when you notice that it has stopped popping, you just take it off the fire. So this a little bit is still popping, that's why it's still on the fire. I'll just give it a little shake so that the ones underneath are going to pop well. Then I'm just going to take it off the fire, and you can see how beautiful, white and delicious this popcorn is looking, and you can see that everything popped in this pot. So now let's make our caramel sauce. So you're going to add sugar into a pan. Everything is just on fire, just leave it, it's going to melt. You want to caramelize the sugar, that's what you're just going for. So you can see that this sugar has properly melted. When it melts, it's going to change color. This is caramel color. And then you're going to add that same margarine, add it to this, mix it together. Why are you doing this? You want it to be silky. You want it to gum with the popcorn. Hope you understand. And then we're going to add milk. I'm adding evap milk for premium enjoyment. You want to enjoy your caramel popcorn. When you try this recipe at home, I'm promising you will not buy popcorn outside again. Seriously, you will not. So when you add your milk to this, it's just going to rise up. No, just take it on low heat. Use your wooden spoon to just stir it gently, and you can see it has incorporated properly. Tell me thank you in the comment section. If you've gotten to this point of the video, please like, comment and subscribe to this channel. So we are just going to take that off of fire, and then we are going to pour the caramel sauce into the popcorn. Because I don't really like sugar and I'm the one eating this, I just added a bit to just show you guys how to do this. So you're just going to mix everything together, and then I'm going to pour it on a plate for you to be able to see it. You can see that this is very simple to do. You can do this for your kids when you have a night out with your friends. Just watch film, take one and just enjoy with fruit juice or whatever you want, or water. Yes, so you can see how brown and how beautiful this is looking like. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the popcorn.